Hey, TriMech clients, we're here on the floor at the Partner Pavilion of SOLIDWORKS World 2018 again, and we're here talking to the folks at Sigmanest. How are you guys doing? How's the show going?
It's going really well.
Excellent. So, if there are a couple things that TriMech clients could really take away from what you guys are doing in your software, any new features, what would that be? What are a couple things they should know?
Well, we've got a couple products that work as add-ins to SolidWorks, including 4 and 5-axis tube cutting machines, producing G-code for that, exporting DSTV files for machines that run NC1 files, and also 5-axis cutting machines for the 3D molds and things like that. We also run our nesting software within SolidWorks. Our flagship Sigmanest has an add-in in SolidWorks called SolidNest, so you can take advantage of a lot of our nesting features directly within SolidWorks, our advanced nesting algorithms and things like that, to produce less material waste and more efficient machine runtimes.
Wow, that's awesome. So you guys are clearly breaking some really important ground in the manufacturing space. Walking around the pavilion, who else are you seeing that just really excites you guys? What kind of trends are you guys seeing out here?
Well, I mean, obviously, half the show's devoted to 3D printing. It seems, so that's really taken off. We've gotten a lot of interest in that. We keep our ear to the ground and stuff like that. Try to stay ahead of the trends, see if there's a need for nesting there, things like that. Some of the machine manufacturers here, I saw some OMAX and Hypertherm are looking pretty neat with a lot of new cutting innovations there.
Okay.
And stuff like that. So yeah, really cool show. Of course, AR and VR are really big. Of course, they look a little bit more like toys right now, but I'm sure we'll see some huge practical applications for those in the very near future.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, hey, that's exciting. Keep up the great work, and thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.